Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can make your image or photo into a cartoon on Canva really quickly. So let's get started. Now doing this is actually super simple and you absolutely don't need any advanced photo editing skills whatsoever. So what you want to do, guys, is log into your account on Canva, and here on your home screen, select apps from that panel here to the left. And what you want to do after that, guys, is use that search bar here and simply type in cartoon, just like that. Press enter and select a cartoonifying application from the list below, like for instance this one here, cartoon filter. So click on it. After that, decide whether you'd like to use an existing design or a new design. So let me go for new design. Select the custom size, like for instance 1200 by 1200 px. Click on create new design here. And what you want to do after that, guys, is simply upload your image or photo you would like to cartoonify. So that, click on choose file here, and remember that your photo must not have a higher file size than 10 MB. The maximum file size is 10 MB according to this information, and the accepted file formats are PNG, JPEG and JPG. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me go with a YouTube thumbnail and cartoonify that for the sake of this tutorial. So let me upload it really quickly, and after that the cartoonifier will start cartoonizing your image automatically. And there you go. As you can see, now your cartoon filter has been applied. Now you may readjust or adjust its position and size just like that, and yeah, keep editing it. As you can see, this photo has been turned into a cartoon, and that's basically it. As you can see in the bottom left corner, for that cartoonifying application, users have up to 3 credits to use for 24 hours. So these credits refresh after 24 hours. So either you wait for a day to use these credits again free of charge, or you gain access to more credits by clicking on that button here. Now to download your cartoonified image or photo, simply click on share here, then on download, and select your output file format like PNG or JPEG, and download your cartoonified image on your device. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.